What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Oh, no. All right, now, what's going on, ladies and gents? We're here for T3G. Welcome to properly audio recorded episode of T3G. I don't know, T3G build some Anyway, we are updating several things. First, we're recording in 24 frames per second. I'm recording the B-roll in 30. We're gonna see what nice smoothness we can achieve with that. I'm trying to do things better. I'm trying to escalate, elevate the level. To that end, we are in the closet. It's so well lit because we have lighting. We have power. I drilled a hole through the wall here that actually goes through the closet into the hall closet and gives me power for both the lighting. I don't know if I got that. Gives me power for both the lighting. So here, lighting, and actually that's on a switch. So it's just a single outlet. I can't multiple things at once. So it's off. Switch. Single outlet switch. I like it. It's nice. The issue I'm having is it's in a closet. I don't want to have to go in the closet every time I want to do that. I suppose there's other things that we've done. The top shelf was reorganized. Now this is everything that's camera related. This actually plugs up here to get more outlets. I've charged all the batteries, so these are all the battery adapters right here. They go in up here. They look really cool when they're up there. Check out the Instagram photos if you haven't seen those. We've got components on this next shelf. Besides these bottom two here, these two need to go in builds, but we got components. We've got some extra accessories. This is an internal DVD drive. A couple things that need to be reviewed on this side, but we're getting there. Now, the next big thing that's gonna, trying to really do this on the sly here without having to. Hey, that's good. I think that's good. The next thing that's gonna be big is changing this hall closet into a network closet. To do that, I have to pull the coax from the laundry room. So I gotta run it about 20 feet. I don't know if there's enough coax. The ironic part is I had plenty of coax because the old owners, they had it ran to like the other side of the basement, and I'm now trying to go over here, which again, ironic, since then I had plenty of coax, but because my internet connection was weird, the Comcast guy came out and he clipped it. He's like, you shouldn't have this much, like you're just right here. So that's the irony of it. So I'm gonna see if I have that. If I don't have that length, there is another. So the previous owners were just like TV heads. They literally had every single room wired up for coax. So there's two there, and they, for some reason, had two lines going into the living space under the crawl space. So what I would need to do is figure out how to get that back down, because all I did was push it down through the hole in the floor. Although, did I unplug it? Damn, I might actually be not down there. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to figure out if I have a lead down there. If I do, I'm gonna have to extend it, and we'll see if we don't lose signal that way, because if you don't know about connections, every single connection point reduces the actual power. So I think, if memory serves right from my time at Radio Shack, I think every coupler slash splitter slash whatever is minus 10 dB on the signal quality. So granted, I'm paying for 150. I get about 170 to 190 down. I might go down to like 150. So it's not a huge loss, but I would like to get all of it. You know, I'd like to get the most. But upload is the main issue. Upload is the biggest concern. We're gonna leave the B-roll going. Am I not in focus? I don't think I was in focus. How is it doing that? Why is the autofocus on this so bad? It's very upsetting. I apologize if I was not in focus that entire time. We're gonna leave the B-roll going, and we are absolutely gonna, what's the word I'm looking for? Try to get this done tonight. Oh, let's go. So that's not gonna work. Now we're on the M10, 24 frames per second. I'm trying to do this, although it's weird because I feel like the display is not displaying at 24. I think it's displaying at 30. So I think it's just like, it feels jumpy in the display, and that's weird to me. So here's the thing. The cable could make it into the closet if I just went straight across, and that's not gonna happen. So what we're gonna need to do, open up the crawl space. I, with my large self, is gonna have to go into the crawl space and see if we have a coax line nearby or accessible down there, and then figure out where it's being plugged in outside, etc., etc. I'm not excited about this part. Looks good to me. Looks very good to me. Let's get a little preview action. There are no lights. This looks terrible. I just realized I was a bad person again and did not hit the mic. Did not start the mic, set the mic up. Alright, so now, this is what we have. We got a new hole right there that's coming in from the crawl space. I found a live cable back there, coax, so I'm running that to the modem. That is my security system camera, wireless thing, receiver, that's the router. Obviously this cabling is all going to get sorted. I've got another switch on the side here. I don't even actually know if I need that. Once I run everything and get everything set up, that's we're going to have to figure out that and resolve it. We do have the power here, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in lighting like this in there. So what I'm going to do now is that's the reason this video is coming out late. I know I said it was going to be every week. And I had every intention of that, but life gets in the way, unfortunately. Once I have the lighting up and I have the cables managed to where I can just like open up the crawl space door without any issues, I'm going to call that done and move on to the entertainment center. As you can see, I've actually already, I don't know if there's enough light. Man, I mean, I have a light here, duh. Let's see if this is visible. Yeah, as you can see, I've already moved it. Let's bump up the ISO a little here. There we go. As you can see, I've already moved it so I can gain access to the Ethernet cable. Right now, there are only 2 cables crossing this walkway, and that is the Ethernet and power cable. I am having an electrician come out next week to take a look at the electrical. Hopefully we can get an outlet in here into the closet, and then I won't have to worry about having that cable running across as well. I really want to limit the amount of like continuous jumping on power strips as possible. So, you know, if I can get it down to there just being an outlet in here and we power everything from in here, that would be aces for me. Yeah, let's put in that light and finish up this week's video. Alrighty, you see I'm very well lit from the front here. That's because we've got light. That's so much light that you can't see the light. Alright, much better. Now, there. So, what we've got here, that's actually just drying, so that'll be covered up in just a moment, as is this hole. So what's happening is that's drying with the caulk, the adhesive caulk, right there. So that's why I've got the clamp on it. Once that's dry, we're gonna plug that, and I'm actually gonna drop some hot glue into where the wires come through to seal that hole to prevent the air transfer into the crawl space. You might be asking, why isn't this covered? Well, that's because that just goes into a wall. There's actually, I wonder if you could see. It's like it's hard to see. There's a piece of wood. There's another stud right there. A piece of wood. It's like it's just a piece of wood. We've got the modem going straight to the router. I have the power cables loose here because I'm actually having an electrician come out to take a look at the electrical in the house. So this might not stay here. Thus, I don't want to route the power cables just yet. The closet is done. This closet is done. This is now, I have space. That's why I've got these on the side here. Those are just tubes. They're going to be given away at our next convention that we do. But otherwise, this closet's not going to have much in it besides the actual networking stuff, because there's not a lot of space, because there is a crawl space opening and I need to be able to get to that. I might put in like the vacuum and stuff like that because that's removable very easily, but otherwise it's not going to have anything else besides what goes on the door, and that's just going to be some bags and stuff. I think my tripod's actually going to go in there. Well, this section is camera audio only. I'm sorry. You see the difference. This is the difference. I'm just excited. I was excited. I wanted to get it done. I also have to go to work in a minute, so that's why I was neglectful in getting the mic out. I don't want to say next week because I don't want to make promises I can't keep. My anniversary is this week, so Wednesday is already already out, and I don't know what's going on Thursday, so maybe Thursday I can get it done. But we'll see. We'll definitely do some recording this week, but at least 1 week, probably 2 weeks, watch for that video. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe if you want to join us for this journey, and see you in the next one.